Streamline your business with Zoho CRM. Here are the features of CRM Account Dashboard. Account Dashboard is a centralized platform or interface within a business's CRM system. It gives access to key metrics such as sales, orders, interactions, and account status. It facilitates efficient and effective management of customer accounts. Here is transformation journey of a leading pet food manufacturing company with us. We have centralized all account-related data into one intuitive interface. Real-time visibility into account activities, performance metrics, and communication history, which enables faster decision-making and proactive engagement. And increased customer satisfaction, improved retention rates, and accelerated business growth across markets. Here are the steps for implementation with Zoho CRM. It begins with requirement gathering, design and planning, development, testing, deployment, monitoring and maintenance, and optimization and scaling. Input for CRM Account Dashboard: sales data, purchase orders and invoice, inventory management system, budget and forecasting tools, external data sources and financial statements. Output for CRM Account Dashboard: financial reports, budget vs actual analysis, expense tracking, inventory management, sales analysis, and account receivable aging. Actors of CRM Account Dashboard: executive management, finance department, operation management, sales and marketing team, customer service and support, and IT department. Get in touch with Abyaz at www.abyaz.com.